Hello everyone. Welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Deepthi, an English tutor. This is the part 2 video of coronavirus vocabulary. In the last video, you saw few words. Today, you're gonna learn some more interesting and informative words. Infectious. The word infectious is an adjective that describes a disease or a disease-causing organism which is liable to be transmitted to people or organisms through the environment. Isolation. Isolation is the condition of being alone, especially when this makes you feel unhappy. Martial law. Martial law is the control of a city or country by an army instead of or by its usual leaders. Outbreak. Outbreak is a time when something suddenly begins, especially a disease or war or something else dangerous or unpleasant. Pandemic. Pandemic is a disease outbreak that spreads across countries or continents. Self-isolation. Self-isolation is the act of isolation or separating oneself or itself from others. Self-quarantine. Self-quarantine refers to refrain from any contact with other individual for a period of time during the outbreak of a contagious disease, usually remaining in one's home and limiting contact with family members. Social distance. Social distance is a safe or appropriate distance or amount of space between two people or between people in a group. Superspreader. Superspreader is a person infected with a bacterium, virus, or other microorganism who transmits it to an unusually large number of other people. Virus. Virus is an extremely small piece of organic material that causes diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Friends, be safe. Use masks, hand washes, and sanitizers. Relaxations in lockdown are given to build your economic level and not for misusing it. Take care. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and ShareChat. Thank you.